picture we ana ebusia penny Tupac edi call court kodi adanse say that lumba e ware Odo Broni sa picture we no amanfo bebre enim including Odo Broni followers omukra enim se picture bi ko pie mu e wo court a judge no e reject here sa picture we ana Odo Broni main witness from that lumba side because our rear ebusia mi na tenase enti ebusia penny a obedi adanse say that lumba ware Odo Broni no picture wo de ba ye ni me pacho ebusia penny from the beginning can say onim Odo Broni fi ba bia enti so obi the picture we e ma Odo ebusia penny a wo dwen say wan the picture ne ma no amafo be Rebecca say oh any ebusia penny na ko fa no ba bi Odo Broni ni mo hwe me pacho ye free bibi case management conference CMC lawyers for nyina a omo wa aseminim e de omo evidence ba judge ne wo ho enti Odo Broni lawyers ehum say abusia penny the picture we yaba enti se na omu nim say sa picture no enye eye fake a anko mo reject it now wo hwa picture we ya ye hwa de bi Odo Broni ejina that lumba ne left shoulder so Odo Broni that lumba left shoulder there. That means Odo Broni ne right hand side and a bend that lumba. Now if at all traditional marriage bend and a hefa and a set or bar ring I want the right hand side. Ghana for me pacho mun follow me. Odo Broni ejina that lumba left shoulder. Into Odo Broni ne right shoulder and a tie that lumba. Into the ring na e ho ha o de kire no ensa be ne hye e the right hand side na mo hye enipa na wo gina ho no ne ensa ha na sa hye ensa ne see does it look like e enipa na wo gina ho ne ensa no ebusiafo time na yeni aya intimi nkire nsemu
Abuja Smart TV's name, mo bi akwa basesa do watchepre na ohweme. What breaking news na aba no? Breaking news ni na say Odo Broni lawyers. Baba Jamal lawyer Fati ene lawyer Dominic allegedly no omo apologize to you can say mame akosia say wa ni nyina ene say omo finding out say that the lumba Japade no say betodwa said that the lumba anya high court are confirm and high court are confirm no and correct because real oh yeah I was so the man lawyer and I would be to court the be assembly no but so far so good no that the lumba then you check here no not just say bibi sa any day anyhow nti e man Kofi bebre na edi ho abobo say e ko ba ne saying the petit tribute said that the lumba ebewu na real and is annual ebi ni ho edin ene esi enti no monye more investigation about the intia that lumba anya real na sisi esa ko ban say Homa transi hu ni say so mo ka so mo check the property of that lumba krana dodo na ebekwa kodi mame akosua say wa ho because of ni appeal court amakwan say onfa more account information and account intino ebusia mame no ebenya more properties of mame akosua that lumba enti ebeha yes sister Odo Broni pa eno na generate a lot of news omo pe asem na kumasi bre say omo ni mame akosua say wa bekasa na case no aye case close bibia to atwa ama bibia akona nim touch abusia enti nsem de ebi wo ho nsem de ebi wo ho pa na we are about to review more secret to make sure say video be share mo nua na onua so anya bi ahwe no mu de ekoso sese between the Odo Broni camp and mame akosua say wa camp enti sisi ano de nkratu ba ne say eye mame that the lumba Odo Broni ni lawyers no pa mame akosua chew sisia mame akosua say wa chew sisia because of the property sharing na omehu ni say mame akosua say wa benya greater part of the property enunti na ama omo apologize to mame akosua say wa abusia onso wa dwenchire mu no odwen mu say yampa so mo apologize to mame akosua say wa because we will be near so you can't ono ena yan information from the size of the family ena yan interpret it actually and yenti means sidua pi emfa ma wo say yampa say wa pa na chew anaasɛ ɔmpa na kyɛw nti wei yɛbɛfrɛ no alleged rumor kyɛ sɛ nsɛm atesɛm mframa mu atesɛm ɛna me explain ɛde akyɛm nti abusua mɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛkɔ akɔhwɛ video no bi aba na yɛhu deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Daddy Lumba na Kachi Nkansah nti no do you expect sɛ Mame Akosua sɛ wɔn accepted the apology of Daddy Lumba ne lawyers na abusua nti nsɛm no bi bra
na nneɛma bebra esi so no yɛka sɛ yɛyi ato hɔ a ɛhɔ na bo sɛ no nneɛma nkɔ yi because ebusia penny oye ebusia penny for Daddy Lumba and this picture we ebaye sa ebusia penny na ne ka say onim Odo Broni from the beginning enti ne se nipa no oware ya adinti na be kwakofa fake picture and dey abekere sa picture we wo hwa omo suit e part of how many people and a traditional marriage I say almost suit and a normal dress. Odo Broni in-law, busa and say, entire bank and that Lumba no shed, or said that Lumba she kaftan, now Odo Broni so as African way. And so judge and say, on there the most reliable witness. Ebusia for Ghana we day. Peace.
Mama, or Sister Esther. Audio was in my presence for about 2-3 months. It was never an intention. Me reach out to Odo Broni. I said same way anamate. No, me say oma obia unim me mempa hwehye. It me message you know and I still have the message. I said oma obia or trust and emframe me. And oma ne sister be frame me. Ne sister ne frame me no. And I'm kind of say me kasama mama Akosua. But menya information be say. And she's like, who are you? Must say do your worst. Wana because say, okay, me sorry, and I'm hanging. I did send Odo Broni text me, and I'm kind of sis, you forget it, I'm okay. Sis, unim at the qua a pushy me, Emma audio no a ball on platform so.
Pacho Debbie.
They are a free court. A verdict no ankoye. And I'm a dream when I'm say Ghana. Now me boy you know me pacho and yet baby I would say you na I travel no and na me pese me di prove point. Na me pese me chere say adie bi akoso in the presence of asumasi. Na obi a ye friend no yire no enya adie a ni kunu beye saa adie no ewo nanim. Na me nim say baby a air travel se say no e ho anamanfo be fa dia rane. Me patcho what ma say.
Okay.
It's na me nim say e ho na amanfo be na me pese me kire say adie bi say ekoso ana akoso ana owo ho bi ana onim hu bi but na why na patcho mama Esther patcho worry.
May divorcee.
Okay, that means what worry that. There's no way. Okay, it might be to me and your man, it might be to me tolerating your man, but there's no way. Ukunu bet me I ye adie na Americano. Na opesa o ya adie bi na wasa fresh so-called wife ne say unconvinced abayo na how? No na me pese me tre amanfo say obi ani wa wawari obi a obeye saa to onipa kono.
But your sister to be honest, OGD.
Oh, sis, me say, o tie me. Na me beka sembi. Enra, me tie Aisha Mode. I say, old audio. Now I care about UK this and man. And also to adie bi ebre sumesi. Na eno na yede eye ne ho adwuma wo sedan na oba na obeje ne sika £600 e ho anam say send your evidence ya me we all catch abayo ne so onto colors ni nyina ne san say ye no kre me wo pictures of efie ho obi a wakọ ho wakotena ho ana e wo sa ebitime atwa sa pictures no
What the I me ba braja bi udi jai me so me what the men kan ho ase me ho men ko ho men ko ho why
all right
men ko question go ha
enti mama fa we ntwa to says that to be honest metena ho ada bia medwen wo say eni kwan say anka mebo
Good.
eni kwan say anka mebo I regret it say me because ade ana me say like adane ama till now no me kwan me call in the presence of the woman kwan na eye dan a wate a e wuri tirim but ebia on kahwe on me cho no
okay me pacho ba ko se anochi supremo o son da ye na anochi busuani eso ka kire o se
me pacho lady bi eso da ye
okay lady bi na son da ye
lady bi na son da ye sa so na me kan no ana o se anochi supremo na ye ne ba ana anche ana anochi supremo enso brother be confirm me ye anche ana lady bi frame me ese na ensem a me kan nyina no eye ne crew ana me say ada na say oh sister dey me kan dey ye dae o se dey be eye ne crew because anochi catch no na manage anochi lady ni wo Germany e ma ne send me pictures ne anochi any bibia ne that lumba pictures bi me am wo me platform me wo me phone so okay oni nyina send me e say anochi ne catch ne say ne papa any that lumba na that lumba catch ne say one wan fan ba bonten at the right time.
Okay,
at the right time.
Anochi Supremo na onwu ye no. Oye interview ema memiti bia. Awo woni maame e woni papa. Na emom wo se maame abesa ni beje ne ho se wo se ne balumba. Enu nti no ma ne betena ne fie. Na se de wusi ben maame sewa ene maame brempoma no. Da yeso fo no any Germany ni frɛ wo no watimi abisa maame brempoma ne maame sɛ wafa anochi supremo ho
okay maame brempoma na ebia nka metimi abusa no but that time no na menyen ente oba ankra na menini hia okoye no mene no ebia a celebration of mama akosia na me say hu no ba ne nipam mentimi abusa no mama akosia nso no mentimi ni din komo saa Pato aja say eti mene ne be kasa kwa na ade se mafrɛ obi oni ba kwa nam no so amedi hu no na oni ba kwa na gina line ne so bi na e bia short na me ma ade a the moment bi bebam a obe bo abaso anobma usika anobe ye obi bi no na akumi spirit eti me ye ade a me pese me amede me pe eye eti mentimi nya chance embusa maame no
okay me last o say appear to essay oye video bia na Odo Broni ebe mu that the lumba mano delete ara so twa e ho free ho me pa cho okan ye no kire wo ye no na menya asaba bisa okan ye na kire wo
me pa cho ye ben na obo na one district one eno ne ye ben na ayi ba no aye papa Nanado Bano.
Nanado. Lumbas.
Yes. And a submittee, I believe so, or council say prepared the document and almost submitted. JB, right? And so, if all
every evidence except for sa letter now almost mama akusia de buy every evidence it was even when no come with the buy and baba jamana they be bread or the boni lawyers and also submit account.
Okay, so Adepa, thank you. So here's the thing. Say you call court now the clients say na say Odo Broni lawyers na prepare the whole document. Adepa, one of the things they do in law, so they be witness a court, you show him all your evidences. So Adepa, again, as proof that it cannot be say Odo Broni lawyers prepared and submitted those documents. No. Even if it was true, Adepa, how did the witness, assuming what they are saying is true, how did the witness who has seen the evidence on record go there and probably mention something else beyond what he had been shown. So at the part, this is proof that the things they are talking about, that the documents were prepared by Odo Broni's lawyers on behalf of Busiapeni, it's not possible. And at the part, even if you look at the verdict, the judge says the name of the other parties, other lawyers who were represented and submitted their documents. It's in the judgment.
Mr. Bempa,
the upper search ne say pictures no Odo Broni picture ne that number picture no enye ebusuapeni anase Odo Broni mo side no ene de call lawyers na de call ya na sa na okay
a friend is saying ebusuapeni ene submitted ebusuapeni lawyers ene submitted those pictures.
Okay but all parties say bia no Odo Broni lawyers enim ho hwe sa na okay.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to friend saying cut that thing off, say and yeah Odo Broni lawyers no ena submit any ebusuapeni like they coordinate if you want prepare boom Odo Broni lawyers and prepare those
now Odo Broni lawyers ni mo
separate people and proof say the proof is that if ebusuapeni Odo Broni lawyers and prepare that document now, their star witness would have known the friend is saying the pictures on record.
in regards to Mr. Bempa, every evidence via omotenda ni no se na eye your friend is saying Odo Broni na de bae se eye Busiapeni na de bae omumienu in court no the main agenda and I said what they were set out to do was to prove say Yeware Odo Broni. So in court proceedings there is no way two lawyers Bako represented Ebusiapeni, Bako represented Odo Broni. Na Ebusiapeni lawyer as submitted BB case conference management. Case conference management, all the lawyers involved will be asked to come. Na obia the evidence aba. Na ye decided the yebejiatum and the engine tum. For example, omoko case management conference. Lawyer Kusika say yema yehu Odo Broni error age. Judge omo objective and the judge and agree say we should keep it out, which I don't know because in Ghana hano you have to be 18 before you can get married. So if we are talking about marriage, then we need to know the person's age so we can determine, say, at the time she was married to know, say na or eligible to marry or not. 18 case conference management, Odo Broni lawyer, Ebusiapeni lawyer, they were all present. Any lawyer could see, they were all present and they all saw the evidence at hand. And my main can say, Mincho, there is no way I hear the Odo Broni a traditional marriage asem na eye Ebusiapeni a o kan say onim Odo Broni wo ba bia no onu ni mum a na be kwafa picture aba me pacho sa picture no ma dwen che me say it was given to Ebusiapeni by the defendant. Thank you.
Addo, please, can I ask my question?
I future battle. Bempa ona na wa battle will be can fadi JB akan ansana ya move on.
Say or say on one adwin the channel the part ne obi adwin channel there.
Okay.
I mean
no Bempa me say omo call case management conference and all the lawyers were there and they all knew what they had submitted.
Yeah, so if they
so
if you're again,
the person me tell say the old person who create BB say na Odo Broni enimu say the sa the picture na back on her behalf. But the person me tell say Odo Broni lawyers were at the case conference management. So if they saw a picture na any original picture yet doctored and come be objected to it. Thank you.
So here's my point. The reason why I spoke was to say that what JB is saying say Odo Broni lawyers and I prepare and I submitted those documents wasn't true. If JB changes and says that if somebody else prepared it, and that's another conversation we can have. So for me,
so who do you think submitted those documents?
Adepa, a friend is saying, Adepa, Ebusia Penny and a summit, and it's on record. If you read the judgment, is there.
That is a Bushapani lawyers. Go, a Bushapani lawyers in a summit.
Yes, Ebusia Penny lawyers and a summit, yes. And Adepa, let me.
Adepa, what me say? Why or just say, "Hey, fan Ebusia Penny nyasa."
Let me clarify something. Adepa, we can come here and assume, right? Adepa, I can also say, and this is how the court reasons. He JB is assuming because he favors his argument, say Odo Broni the man, right? Why can't I also assume that somebody else in the family passed it on to Abusepenyi?
No, let me catch you say, fine. Let me say, Odo Broni worst enemy and a person of mercy case ni up no the man Abusepenyi. Omuko drew case conference management, no. Yes. Odo Broni's lawyer was there. And the problem with the picture no is not even about say omu taking it that night or man taking it that night or omu taking it that day or man taking it that day. The person make sure say picture no omu submit ya omu say Odo Broni ni that number no. And sana a share ring no. Right hand side. Right hand. Ana me pacho adepa media sendo. Oshe Odo Broni ne Mama, Sister Esther. Audio was in my presence for about 2-3 months. It was never an intention. Me reaching out to Odo Broni. I said, "Asemwe anamate." No, me say Oma Obia. Unim me mpa ho It's me message and I still have the message. I said, "Oma Obia or trust and friend me." And Oma ne sister be friend me. Ne sister ne friend me no. And I'm kind of say me kasama mama akushia. But menya information be say. And she's like, who are you? Masay dineri, yet you do your worst. Ehwana, because okay, me sorry, and I'm hanging. I did send Odo Broni text me, and I'm kind of sis, you forget it, I'm okay. Sis, unim at the kwa a pushy me, Emma audio no, a ball on platform so.
Pacho Debbie.
They are a free court. A verdict no ankoye. And I'm a dream when I'm say Ghana. Now me boy no me pacho and yet baby I would say na a travel no. And na me pese me di prove point. Na me pese me chere say adie bi akoso in the presence of asumesi. Na obi a ye friend no yire no enya ade a ni kunu be ye sa ade no ewo nanim. Na me nim say baby a air travel say no e ho anamanfo be fa dia rane. Me patcho what say.
Okay.
It's na me nim say e ho na amanfo be na me pese me kire say ade bi say ekoso ana akoso ana owo ho bi ana onim hu bi but na why na patcho mama Esther patcho worry.
May a divorcee.
Okay, that means what worry that. There's no way. Okay, it might be to me and your man, it might be to me tolerating your man, but there's no way. Who couldn't bet me? I hear Adena Americano. Na opesa oya adiebi. Na wasa fresh so-called wife on the say. Unconvincing abayuano na how? No na me pese me tre amount for say. Obie ni wa wawari obia obeye sa to onipa kono.
But your son's to be honest, OGD.
Oh, sis, me say, o tie me, na me beka asembi. Enra, me tie Aisha Mode, say old audio, now talk about UK ni sa no man, and also to adie bi, ebre, sumesi. Na eno na yede eye ne ho adwuma wo seben na oba na obeje ne sika £600 ho anam say say evidence ya me we o ka kire abayo ne so onto colors ni nyina ne sanum say ye no kre me wo pictures of efie ho obi a wakọ ho wakotena ho ane wo sa ebitime atwa sa pictures no
What the me ba brother bi dey jai me so me what the men kan ho ase me ho men ko ho men ko ho why
all right
men ko question go ha
enti mama fa we ntwa to says that to be honest metina ho da bia medwen wo say eni kwan say anka me bo
Good.
eni kwan say anka me bo ma regret say me because adia na me per say like adane ama till now no me kwan me call in the presence of the woman kwan na eye dan a wate a e wuri tirim but ebia on kahwe on me cho no
Okay, me pacho back o say anochi supremo o son da na anochi busuani eso ka kire o say
me pacho lady bi eso da ye
okay lady bi na son da ye
lady bi na son da ye sa so na me kan no ana o say anochi supremo na ye ne ba ana anche ana anochi supremo enso brother be confirm ye anche ana lady bi frame me ese na nsem a make nyina no ne crew ana me say ada na say oh sister dey make kan dey da ye o say dey be no crew because anochi catch no na manage anochi lady ni wo Germany e ma ne send me pictures ne anochi any bibia ne that lumba pictures bi me am wo me platform me wo me phone so okay oni nyina send me e say anochi ne catch ne say ne papa any that lumba na that lumba catch ne say one wan fan ba bonten at the right time.
Okay,
at the right time.
Anochi Supremo na onwu ye no. Oye interview ema memiti bia. Awo woni maame e woni papa. Na emom wo se maame abesa ni beje ne ho se wo se ne belumba. Enu nti no ma ne betena ne fie. Na se de wusi ben maame sewa ene maame brempoma no. Da yeso fo no any Germany ni frɛ wo no watimi abisa maame brempoma ne maame sɛ wafa anochi supremo ho
okay maame brempoma na ebia nka metimi abusa no but that time no na menyen ente oba ankra na menini hia okoye no mene no ebia a celebration of mama akosia na me say hu no ba ne na nipam mentimi abusa no mama akosia nso no mentimi ni din komo saa Pato acha say eti mene ne be kasa kwa na ade se ma frɛ obi oni ba kwa na no so amedi hu no na oni ba kwa na gina line ne so bi na e bia short na me ma ade a the moment bi bebam a obe e ba bo aba so anobema usika anobe ye obi bi no na akumi spirit eti me ye ade a me pese me am de me pe eye eti me ntimi nya chance embusa ma me no
okay me last o say appear to essay oye video bia na Odo Broni ebemu Daddy lumba mano delete ara so twa ho free ho me pa cho okan yi no kire wo yi ano na menya asaba bisa okan yi ne kire wo
me pa cho yi aben na obo na one district one eno ne yi aben na ayi ba no aye papa Nanado Bano.
Nanado. Lumbas.
Yes. And a submit, I believe so, or council say prepared the document and almost submit it. JB, right? And so, if all
every evidence except for sa letter now almost mama kusia de buy, every evidence it was even when no come de buy and kwana baba jamana de be bre or the boni lawyers and also submit account.
Okay, so Adepa, thank you. So here's the thing. Say you call court now the clients na say Odo Broni lawyers prepare the whole document. Adepa, one of the things they do in law, so they be witness a court, you show him all your evidences. So Adepa, again, as proof that it cannot be say Odo Broni lawyers prepared and submitted those documents. No. Even if it was true, Adepa, how did the witness, assuming what they are saying is true, how did the witness who has seen the evidence on record go there and probably mention something else beyond what he had been shown. So at the part, this is proof that the thing they are talking about, that the documents were prepared by Odo Broni's lawyers on behalf of Agyapong, it's not possible. And at the part, even if you look at the verdict, the judge says the name of the other parties, other lawyers who were represented and submitted their documents is in the judgment.
Mr. Bempa,
the upper search say pictures no Odo Broni picture ne Dadumba picture no enye Agyapong anase Odo Broni mo side no ene de call lawyers na de call ya na sana okay
a friend is saying Agyapong and submitted Agyapong lawyers and submitted those pictures.
Okay but all parties say bia na Odo Broni lawyers enim ho hwe sana okay.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to saying cut that thing off. Say, and yeah, Odo Broni lawyers no, ena submit ena any Agyapong like they coordinate if you prepare boom Odo Broni lawyers and prepare those.
It's now Odo Broni lawyers in more
separate people and proof say the proof is that if Agyapong Odo Broni lawyers and prepare that document now, their star witness would have known the friend is saying the pictures on record.
Hold on. In regards to Mr. Bempa. Mr. Bempa, every evidence via omo tender ni in no. Se na eye your friend is saying Odo Broni na de bae, se eye Agyapong na de bae. Omo in court no. The main agenda and I said what they were set out to do was to prove say you are Odo Broni. So in court proceedings, there is no way two lawyers Bako represented Agyapong, Bako represented Odo Broni. Na Agyapong lawyer has submitted BB case conference management. Case conference management, all the lawyers involved will be asked to come. Na obia the evidence aba. Na ye decided the yebejiatum and the engine tum. For example, omoko case management conference. Lawyer Kusi can say yemayehu Odo Broni error age. Judge omo objective and the judge and agree and say we should keep it out. Which I don't know because in Ghana Hano. You have to be 18 before you can get married. So if we are talking about marriage, then we need to know the person's age so we can determine, say, at the time she was married to know, say, now are you eligible to marry or not? 18 case conference management, Odo Broni lawyer, Agyapong lawyer, they were all present. Any lawyer could see, they were all present and they all saw the evidence at hand. And my main can say, Mincho, there is no way I hear the Odo Broni a traditional marriage asem na eye Agyapong a can say onim Odo Broni wo ba bia no onu ni mum a na be kwafa picture aba the patrol sa picture no ma dwen che me say it was given to Agyapong by the defendant. Thank you.
Please, can I ask my question?